Hello guys, I am Yahya and this is my first vlog. So today I am going to teach you about science. In science, the chapter we are going to study is classification and biodiversity. It is a very interesting chapter and you would like to study that. So first I will tell you what is classification and biodiversity. So you have seen many living organisms in the world. There are millions of billions of living organisms in the world, but today I am going to tell you how we can simplify that animals into groups. So for simplifying, totally there are 5 groups in the world, in the living organisms. So the first group is animals. So animals, they have cell membrane. Humans have cells in their body. So in each cell there are many parts, like the outer layer is called cell membrane. Then inside there is cytoplasm, then ribosome, then vacuole, then mitochondria, nucleus. So there are many parts. So the outer layer is called cell membrane. And then the second point is that it is multicellular. Animals are multicellular. They have many cells, more than one cell. Then next point is they feed on other organisms. So humans feed on plants, animals. They all are living organisms. You see, like animals like lion, tiger, wild cats, dogs. So they feed on animals like gazelle, deer. They feed on meat. So they feed on living organisms. And next point we have is fungi. So fungi is multicellular. Mostly multicellular means they have mostly more than one cell. And next point is that they live on dead organisms, means like you see on bread. So when the bread is rotten and expired, so you see a green brownish layer on it, so that is called mold. So they live on dead organisms like that. And then they have cell wall. Like I said, humans in the cell, they have cell membrane, the outer layer. Like that, fungi also have cell, but the outer layer is called cell wall and it is made up of chitin. It is called chitin. Then we have examples of fungi. The examples of fungi is mushroom. You all guys have eaten, I think so, mushroom. And next point you have yeast. When we are making the pizza dough, yeah, so that time we'll put a powder type thing that is called yeast. So that will blow up the dough. That is called yeast. That is also fungi. Then next is molds. As I said, you on the bread we can see some greenish brownish layer when it is rotten. So that is called that molds. Then next point we have protoctists. Protoctists are mostly unicellular. As I said, multicellulars are animals, fungi, and plants are also multicellular. That I will say after in the video. So multicellular means they have many cells, but protoctists have only one cell. They are unicellular. The example of protoctists is amoeba. So it is same like plant. It lives in water and it looks like it is same like plants, but difference is there in it, that it cannot make its own food. It cannot make its own food by photosynthesis. It feeds on animals like living organisms like bacteria, algae, and it feeds on other small prototists. And then it is unicellular. All the plants, trees are multicellular. This is the difference between plants and protoctists. Then next we have plants. The fourth group is plants. So plants, they are mostly multicellular. Means they have many cells. And then they make their own food. They make their own food by using sunlight, water, and CO2, carbon dioxide. The process is called photosynthesis. Our next point is prokaryotes, mainly bacteria. So they do not have nucleus in their cell. So that's why they are called prokaryotes. So the animals that have nucleus are called eukaryotes. All the kingdoms like plant kingdom, animal kingdom, fungi kingdom, prototists, they have nucleus. So they are all are eukaryotes. but this is only the kingdom which do not have cell, so it is called prokaryotes. And our next point is unicellular. It has only one cell. And you can simplify animals, plants and many more into more groups and more. So now this video is a bit long, so I will teach you that and I will tell you about that all the details in the next video. Thank you.